Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna be playing Animal Rivals. Sweet. Where's my hands? Oh, I got a little coin. I don't know where that coin is coming from. Yo, what's this? Okay. Snap turn. Turn that on just in case. Live camera? Sure, yeah. Sweet. Oh, I'm ugly. Whoa. What? Oh. Boom. How do I grab it? What is that? What does that mean? What does that mean? What? I'm confused. Do I just go up? That one. What? I'm confused. What do I do? I don't know what to do, so I'm jumping over the wall. No. I don't think you can. Yeah, you can. Okay, great. What to do? What? Whoa. Yeah, just turn that off for now. What do I do? Oh. Yo. Okay, that's cool. Oh. Yo. How do I reload? Oh. Sweet. This is great. Give me that gun. Oh. This is cool at least. Okay, what do I do here? Let's go, bro. What's this? Oh, yo, cool. Duels. Okay, what's this? Ooh, coins.
Cool.
Yo, what do I do here?
Slap.
Shooting range. Okay, let's go to duels.
Alright, I don't have this thing then.
Face off against your opponents. Let me grab a pistol. Oh, cool. Sweet. What's the difference between this gun and that gun? Oh no, they're just fast options. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is cool.
Have you ever played this game before?
No, I'm new. I'm actually making a video about it right now. Cool, bro. Oh, I can't
What's
shoot.
your channel?
Hold up. Loading. I've got my gun.
Match started.
Yo. So it's kind of like, Roblox Rivals.
Round starting.
Whoa. I'm cooked. I got it. Oh no. Oh, I'm dead.
You want me to give you a win? You want me to give you this one?
Nah, I'm good, bro. I'm good. I need to learn. On my own, bro.
Round starting.
So I'm guessing you can get multiple guns. Crap, I fell. Oh! Ah! Reload. No! See, this is definitely like Roblox Rivals. It's different. Maybe this one.
Round starting.
Whoa! He's too good! Bigger gun.
Oh gosh!
No!
I literally almost died.
Dog, why am I so trash?
Round starting.
Okay, yeah, I know. I said I'm so trash. Oh,
It's fine. You still win. Honestly, you're pretty good for a new player.
get him. Yes!
See?
First win. Let's go. Yo. Alright, thanks, bro.
Round starting.
Alright. Oh, I got 100 coins. Whoa. Get him. No! No, I'm cooked! I'm cooked! No! Dang it. My viewers are gonna be so disappointed in me.
Round starting.
No. Go, go, go. Whoa! Reload. Oh my gosh. No, he's got a paintball gun. He's got a paintball gun. No! So yeah, this is like Roblox Rivals.
Yo, GG's, bro.
Cool. GG's, bro. Boom. Whoa!
Alright, you wanna add each other?
Yeah, sure.
You wanna try duos? You wanna try duos?
Yeah, sure, bro. How do I add you?
Alright. So you
You're a
press
fan
your
of me.
button, right? And then you go to friends and then go to pending and then
Add friend. Boom.
you friend.
There we go. Yeah. I got you,
Alright,
bro.
I'll join you in your lobby. Don't play a match yet, cause I'll join you in your lobby. Press.
Oh, there we go. Alright, sweet. Duos.
Join me in.
Oh, where is he? Where is he, bro? Where's my friend? Where's my friend? Where's this guy? Where'd he go?
Is what I told my uncle when he's playing with my hair.
What?
Hey, yeah, you can mock me.
Sick. See, this is like Roblox Rivals. I'm pretty good at the actual game.
Bro, shut up.
I don't like this.
Cringe Sonic, bro, you're over here fucking.
Hey, don't swear, bro. Okay, let's get other guns. Let's see. What other guns can we get? This aqua bundle. Ooh, we can get a knife. How do we get the knife? Yeah, how do we get the knife? Cool. Yeah, how do we unlock that? We need to be level 1. Okay. Alright, where's my bro? Where's my friend? Where's my friend I made? Hold up. Bro. Pending. Oh no. What? No, it's that dude. Yeah, what's up, bro? What? Wait. Dog, I'm new. I'm about to get cooked. Alright, let's try at least. Let's see. I'm gonna do random. Let's see. Oh, that's my camera, I just noticed. Ooh, haystack. Okay, cool. Alright, let's see what we got.
Match started.
Let's go. Oh, we can't go up there. Okay.
Round starting.
Oh, okay. I just missed that. Where is he? I see him. Yes! I'm getting better. Okay, I'm getting better. I'm getting used to switching guns. Yay, I'm now level 3.
Round starting.
Up here I go. There's probably snipers in this. If there is, then I must master that. Where is he? Whoa! He's up there. Fuck. No! No! Dang it. Okay, let's grab this.
Round starting.
Okay. At least I got one kill. Yes! Let's go. Let's go. I don't think I'm too bad at this game.
Round starting.
Let's go. Oh, you can go up here. Yo. Where is he? Oh! No, I'm dead. Dang it. Okay.
Round starting.
Up here. Whoa. No. Dang it. Come on. Where is he? Oh, he's right there. No. This gun. No. Yes! Let's go! Whoa! This is scary. Okay. Oh, he can talk. I just noticed.
Round starting.
Alright, guys, let's go. I saw him. Reload. No. Yes! Let's go! Yes! I'm doing so good. Okay.
Round starting.
Let's go. Might be able to win for once. Might be able to win a match. Crazy work. Yes, I won. Sweet,
You're
bro.
good for your first time, bro. You're pretty good for your first time. Hey,
Thank you, bro.
You're good for your first time.
Thank you, bro. Sweet, bro. I want to try. Oh, dang. Let's see. 6-7. Alright, let's go red. Let's go red, because why not? I like red. I like red. Yeah, no one wants to go there, so I'm going on this red.
Are you gonna kill me?
Sweet. Hi. Alright, guys, this is a silver pack 2, so I'm cooked. I'm new. Okay, let's see. I'll go random. I like random. Oh. Get my camera away. Ooh, pirate ship. Never been on this map before.
Match starting.
Okay. Let's see.
Round starting.
Boom. This is a pretty cool game. Even though it's basically just VR rivals. It's still fun though. Okay, where is he? Ow. Ow, I hit my couch. And I hurt my nail. Okay, great. Ow, that really hurts. Ow. Ow, my finger. Okay, great. Now I've got a hurt finger in a battle. Whoa! Whoa! No! Ooh, okay, there's blood. Ow.
Round starting.
Ow. Okay, I hit my couch pretty hard. I'm now bleeding from my finger, but I'll be fine. I've gone through multiple cat scratches. How do I get up there? Ooh, wait. Secret area, question mark? Yo. Secret area. Secret area. Okay. Let's look for him. Secret area. I wonder if there's skin cases in here. Like in this game. Alright, let me go out. Whoa! Ah! Oh my gosh. Go, 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 go. Whoa. Whoa. Where is he? Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, 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 whoa, 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 whoa. Hi. What? What? Oh. Yeah. Oh. Oh, wow. You can know yourself? I did not know that.
Round starting.
Cool. Don't do that in real life. And I just hit my couch again. Ow. Woo! I keep hitting my couch. That hurts. Okay, how do I get up here? How do I get up here? No, nope, not like that. Pinch climb maybe? Pinch climb? Pinch climb? Yup. Pinch climb is the way. Pinch climb. No! It was so close too. Dang it. Wait, can I just like grab on? Oh, I can. Okay, that's a lot better. What? Pistol. What? What? Oh, okay. Hold up. Oh, yo, no! No! Come on, bro. Come on. Oh! Oh my gosh. Whew. Whew. Yes! No! Okay.
Round
Up.
starting.
Let's go. We need to get a good gun. No! No, that's... What? What the... Okay. I can't go up. Crap. Okay. Go like this instead. No! Ow! Ah! 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 What? I'll shoot you! Oh. Oh! Whoa! No! I should probably take the game seriously now. Crap, bro.
Round starting.
Up we go. Come on. No! No! Let me up! No! Oh! Get him! How? How do you do that? Okay, we're doing pistol.
Round
We're doing
starting.
pistol. We got this. We're gonna get him. We're totally gonna get him. If I can get up and stop hitting my couch. Ow, that genuinely hurts. Whoa! Whoa, okay. What? Whoa. What? Bleh. Shovel. Oh. Huh? Okay. What? Yeah? Okay, what about this? Yeah? Huh? Oh. Yay! Thanks, bro. Ooh, coins. Yay, I'm now level 10.
Round starting.
Okay. Whew. We got this. Roar! Huh. Okay. Whoa. Yeah! Let's go! Oh. Yay. Oh, I can't shoot that yet. Okay. Okay, we got the pistol.
Round
We got the pistol.
starting.
Alright, let's go. Boom. Yeah. Aim that real good. Whoa. He's scary. Whoa. Don't get close. Oh, I'm not dead yet. Whoa. No. Shoot him. Fuck. No. Up. No. I'm gonna die. No. Ow. I'm dying. Oh, my bad. Okay, bet. My viewers are going to be disappointed in me from how trash I am. Let's get all those coins I have so far, apparently. Ending. Boom. Okay, sweet. How do we get out of that? Oh, wrong thing. Whoa! Alright, we got this. Alright, we'll do one more and then we'll end the video because... Yeah, we'll do one more and then end the video because my controllers are dying. So we'll do one more match until I end the video. We got a silverback 2 again, so I might be cooked. Ow, my finger still hurts. It's still bleeding. Ow. Okay, that's not nice. Yes. Okay. This one.
Match starting.
Let's go. Get him. Whoa. No, I'm dead. I need to get more guns. I need to get better guns.
Round starting.
Let's go. Whoa. He's a pro. No, I'm stuck and he's a pro. No. Ooh, look at my weird tail. Okay, we got this.
Round starting.
Let's go. Let's get at least one win. Whoa! No! I'm dead. I don't have anything better.
Round starting.
Let's go. How is his aim so good? No! I'm dying. Alright, let's do pistol only. We got this. Let's pistol. We got this. We're gonna cook him with the pistol. Let's do this. Whoa! No! I got cooked. Okay, yeah, my finger hurts. Ow. Owie. Oh. Alright, yeah, my finger is cooked. Ow. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I might make more videos of this game. If I do ever play it again. Ah, my finger. Okay. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great rest of your day / night. RIP to my finger. NPC out. Why did you guys keep coming up to me? Hello. Hi. What do you need? What do you need? Ow, I need a bandage for my finger. Alright, bye guys.